Excited? What are we doing?
We're doing something fun.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this here. Okay. Yeah, the camera is watching you. So, Mariam, how was it? The fire drill?
It was fun. I'm still breathing so fast from it.
Thank you for the help. Really?
Oh, let's do it again.
Do you want to what? These? No? Yeah. If you leave them there, that would be great. As you can see, these are our dry ice. We've prepared. Oh, out.
Because I was running, band, roll, it was new for me. Like, I've never experienced such. So it's a new experience, and it was a fun experience and good for them also to learn and, remember this is what they do when there's a fire.
In real life,
Yeah,
right?
in real life.
We're going to start at the same time, right, Mariam?
Yes.
We're going to start the alarm in the class. We're going to add the hot water and wait till the class is filled with smoke and then just run out.
Yeah.
And we've talked about the exit that we want to take.
Opposite 4B.
Yes, and we've talked about the assembly point, which is downstairs, front garden. Homeroom teachers will be there in the stairs and in the front garden to help us. I'm just saying so that if you want to try the same thing at your own school, you know exactly how many people you need. And I think we're all set.
Just the girls, I noticed some things. They didn't want to do it because they felt like, I should cover myself. My clothes shouldn't get dirty or something like that. But
Number 2, we are going to check. Are all of our friends with us here? Yes.
So, where were we?
Yeah.
We have our dry ice, and they gave us these as fire blankets. Yeah, we know that this is not real fire blankets, but still, we want the kids to know the drill. Like, okay, with the fire blanket, you can actually put out the fire if you put it on fire, or you can just wrap it around yourself and run out of it. But we finally got dry ice. We're going to we have never done it before. I mean, I don't know about you,
No,
I haven't.
I haven't
So
either.
we're gonna just add some hot water inside. Just be careful to cover it, because right now we are in a closed area. We're going to cover it because it releases this like gas and smoke, which is toxic.
you thinking of that really was very smart. It is very smart of you because I wouldn't lie because.
Which one? The
new.
bamboozle?
No, not the bamboozle. The fire.
The fire drill.
and
You know,
everything.
last year, to tell the truth, last year I had the idea of doing this, but it was online completely because of the pandemic, and we just, we had the map of their own house together, how they can escape from their own house because they weren't at school, literally speaking at all.
Yeah.
But it was really fun this year. I mean, I still have a sore throat.
Come here, bend down, roll,
I
jump,
do so.
do this, do that.
Number 1, are we going to run away or stay together? Stay together. We're going to stay together.
For the first time today, there is a girl, I'm not gonna say the name, okay, but there is a girl in 4A that I hadn't heard her talk in nearly a year.
Really?
In English. She didn't want to, but today, after we finished, we went to the class and we started the fire bamboozle, and I asked, okay, what are you gonna do when you hear the fire alarm? And she said, listen, teacher.
Number 1, stop. Number 2, stop. Number 3, stop.
And the feeling was like, oh
Like
my
the proud
God,
teacher.
yeah. It was amazing. And I was blushed. I was like, I tried to control myself. Okay, act cool.
Act cool.
Act
Don't-
cool.
okay, don't put it too much.
But it was really nice. Yeah.
Ahmed, come here. You're Okay.
It was good. I really enjoyed myself. And after that, when we got back to the class, I didn't do anything because I was tired and the kids wanted to dance. I'm like, okay, let's dance. So I opened the YouTube video and we danced for the rest of the 15 minutes. We just danced and danced. And, yeah,
The dancing part must have been fun.
I danced too. I danced with them, with the choreography. I did everything with them. It was fun.
Okay, so now we can go ahead and take some photos. The lighting is good.
Okay.
Okay, shall we?